friends. Hello my little friends. Today we will see farm animals. Hen. It gives meat and eggs. Rooster wakes us up early in the morning. Duck. It gives eggs and meat. This is a geese. It gives meat. Ostrich. It gives eggs and meat. Rabbit. It gives meat. Pig. It gives meat. Goat. It gives milk and meat. Sheep. It gives warm wool and also milk. Dog. It takes care of the farm. Cow. It gives milk. Buffalo. It gives milk. Ox. It helps the farmer for farming. Donkey. Donkey are used for transportation. This is a horse. Horses are also used for transportation. Honeybee. It gives honey. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel.